I just got my 23-pound mechanical keyboard and just listen to this. Besides for the bottoming out on the space bar, but that happens in most keyboards, even keyboards up to 50 pound. And it does show that it's a switch, blue switch. You can take off the escape and control key. I don't know why they did it with the control key, but you can take off both and it's a blue switch. This is what it sounds like without the bottoming out. And then if I put back on the keycap, so you could probably maybe switch out keycap. I don't know if you